Hey everyone, it's Alison here from Alison Hugh Natural Therapies. Hope you're going well. Um, I just wanted to talk about today about how our body stores traumas, stress, imbalances, emotions. One of the levels we know is not only through the DNA that I often talk about, genetically we carry these traumas that have come from our parents, grandparents, and through the ancestral lines, but also in our cells. Our cells have memory. They are able to store information. And sometimes what happens is when we're trying to achieve something or work through something, and we're struggling to, it's because the body has that remembrance right at the cellular level. So it keeps replicating, I suppose, for want of a better way to explain this, that trauma or that situation or those emotions or those feelings. And what I love about kinesiology is we get to go into it at that level and help to work out what it is that the body has stress around, what the body is holding, the trauma, and be able to go in and access that really safely. That's a beautiful gift that kinesiology enables us to do safely, to go in to access these traumas that usually our brain will protect us from, because if we've experienced a trauma, the body will protect us from feeling that emotion or going through that again, and sometimes park that away from us so we're not aware of it. And so therefore, when I talk about, holding information in our cells, this is exactly these situations where you're trying to achieve and you're trying to get somewhere, but you keep kind of getting like just stuck and just seeming like you're in this sort of loop. And that is why, because those cells are talking to us, they're trying to protect us from experiencing that trauma again. And part of what we want to be able to do is show the body that, we can go through a situation again, but it actually can have a very different outcome. And that's what I love about the work that I get to do every day with my clients, and just watching them grow and seeing that, yes, I've had this experience and I've done this, but hey, you know what? I can actually do it again and have a different outcome and teach my body that I can have that outcome and it's okay and I'm safe. So yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. Sometimes it's easy for me to explain and articulate through these videos. I seem to be finding this more and more at the moment. Anyway, I hope that kind of makes sense. I'd love to hear any questions you guys might